Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to another fascinating documentary in Believing Facts. Deep sea monsters have always fascinated us, and for good reason. The deep ocean is a vast and mysterious frontier, full of untold wonders and terrors. Today we are going to explore the incredible footage of a deep sea monster caught on camera, and I promise you, it's going to blow your mind. Exploring the deep sea is no easy feat. It's a harsh, alien environment that's hostile to human life. The pressure is extreme, the darkness is absolute, and the cold is biting. It's no wonder that we have only scratched the surface of what lies beneath the waves. As a result, many creatures remain undiscovered and our imaginations run wild with possibilities. Today we bring you some strange facts about a strange creature, the anglerfish. Number 1. There are 200 anglerfish species. The anglerfish may be ugly, but there sure are many of them in the waters with over 200 species. The majority of these live in the dark and gloomy parts of the Antarctic and Atlantic Oceans, where they live just about a mile away from the very surface of the seas. These creatures are usually dark grey in color or even brown. Their heads are large and they have funny looking mouths that are not only large and scary, but also contain some massive translucent teeth. You may find some anglerfish to be as large as 3.3 feet long, but this is not regular, as the majority of anglerfish are even smaller than 1 foot. Number 2. There are cunning. We have already mentioned that these strange fishes have really large mouths, and if you are an anglerfish, that would be one of the best things you have, because they can swallow up to twice their size with just that mouth. The regular anglerfish is smaller than a foot. How do they get to capture their prey? It's simple. This actually applies to the female, which makes one of their most distinctive characteristics that helps in their survival in the wild seas. The female anglerfish is equipped with a dorsal spine that has a protrusion just at the top of their mouths. This looks like what we humans would call a fishing pole. The anglerfish uses it in a similar manner. This dorsal spine has a bright light feature that the anglerfish uses to bait its prey. Once the target is close enough, the larger than usual mouth does a good job of capturing it and sending it down the digestive tract of this ugly and cunning creature. Number 3. Males are smaller and vulnerable. The females are the most cunning of the anglerfish. The male is rather small and better looking than the ugly females. The males do not need the luminous dorsal spine that the female uses to lure prey into its large mouth. Instead, the male anglerfish has its own secret weapon, which it uses to survive and procreate. Young male anglerfishes swim through the free seas looking for the perfect female. Their relationship can be compared to a parasitic one, where the males are certainly not the victims or the host. Instead, the male anglerfish has developed a special evolutionary skill to latch onto the female using his teeth. These teeth are as sharp as the typical new kitchen knife, but that isn't the end of the story. This process takes a while and the male continues to do this sort of thing for some time. He eventually fuses himself with his female counterpart and connects his skin to hers. He also connects with her bloodstream, where he loses his eyes and other body parts, leaving only his testes. You can begin to imagine why males are much smaller than females. Another fact is that the female can carry even 6 male anglerfish in this procreation process, where the male is sacrificed. Number 4. Anglerfish are a family. The name anglerfish is not the name of a specific fish, as you already know. There are over 200 anglerfish species, including sea devils, frogfish, sea toads, handfish, monkfish, and batfishes. They are named as such because of their style of predation. Just like any other fishes, of a group of anglerfish is called a school. Number 5. All anglerfish have an appendage. Since there are over 200 of them, it seems impossible that all of them would have similar features, but they do. The anglerfish family all have appendage dangling right from the top of their heads, which we mentioned that they use to lure some prey into their large mouths. This appendage is known as an elysium and is a dorsal fin. Interestingly, this dorsal fin can also be found in other fishes which are not even anglerfishes. The fin has evolved that protrude and dangle in the area of their mouths, the right spot to get prey if you want to eat them. Number 6. Anglerfish are carnivore. This shouldn't come as a surprise for a sea monster that this is not ugly but scary looking and always wearing an angry face. The anglerfish is one of the many carnivorous fishes in the seas and has the perfect set of tools to lure and eat prey. At will, of course, it is the perfect serial killer only in the seas. It lures prey by sticking to one spot down on the seabed. It does this because it precious energy but also to create a disgust that will allow its prey to walk or swim straight into its trap. Once its dorsal fin or elysium lights up, attracting the prey, it strikes and consumes the prey, fast eating small fish and crustaceans like crabs, crayfish, barnacles and slaters is enjoyable. As we marvel at this incredible footage, we are reminded of just how much we still have to learn about the ocean. This sighting opens up new avenues of research, new questions to be answered and new mysteries to be solved. It's a testament to the power of exploration and the wonders that await us at the age of the unknown. Thanks for joining me in exploring the real footage of anglerfish and unbelievable facts about seadevil. Let's wrap up this deep down oceanic journey. Stay with us for the next documentary. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Believing Facts. Till then, stay tuned.